make awesome art with wood. Today, we are creating a super cool wooden puzzle design called Parquet Inlay. That's just a fancy name for making pretty patterns using little square pieces of wood in different colors. Let's explore the patterns. Try lining them up like this: brown, white. You can place them up and down or side to side, it's totally up to you. How about mixing two of each color, tea, earth, and white, to make a checkerboard or zigzag pattern? Or you can make a pattern with four browns, or even brown, white, brown stripes. Grab your wooden pieces from the box and place them on your desk. Arrange and rearrange them to find a pattern you love. You can build it, take it apart, and build again. That's part of the fun. Once you've made your favorite design, carefully start sticking the pieces down from the middle. Press them gently so they are nice and flat. After it dries, it's time to smooth it out. Rub the top gently using the desk as your helper. This makes everything even and polished. And, ta-da! You've just made a beautiful wood inlay masterpiece. Thanks for joining this crafty adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and creative art projects.